Okay, so merong nag-comment sa atin guys and nagtatanong ng book and author recommendations for BSA students. Let me just say that most of the subjects that we will take under BSA program fall under the 6 major SIPALE subjects, which are FAR or Financial Accounting and Reporting, AFAR or Advanced Financial Accounting and Reporting, RFBT or Law, Taxation, MAS or Management Advisory Services, and Auditing. So, ilalagay ko guys yung link ng mga books na imi-mention ko on the yellow basket so you can easily check it. For Financial Accounting and Reporting, I would recommend books by Valix. So, itong mga books na to, they are very commonly used in most schools and they are safe to use kahit yung mga 1 to 2-year-old na edition. For AFAR naman, I would recommend this book by Dayag. So, ito rin yung ginamit ko nung ako ay nag-aaral. I'm not sure if merong bagong edition, but ito yung ginamit ko. Ito mismo. For law naman or RFBT, instead of buying book per subject, I suggest this book which is the Notes in Business Law. Ito na lang yung bilhin nyo kasi this book already covers most of the topics na under ng BSA law subjects. For taxation naman, you will usually need 2 books. So, we have the income taxation and the transfer and business taxation. I would recommend either this book by Sir Rex Bangawan or this book by Sir Tabag. So, both of these are widely used and they are both board exam aligned. For MAS naman, I would recommend this book by Roque. And for auditing theory, I would recommend this book by Salo Sagcol. So, itong mga nire-recommend ko sa inyo guys na author, these are the authors of the books pero older edition na ginamit ko when I was a BSA student. So, if you are planning to take the CPA board exam someday, I highly recommend na mag-invest rin kayo ng mga prac books. So, yung mga ganitong libro, these are purely practice problem. So, sa loob niyan, puro practice problem and then may sagot doon and then explanation. So, ito yung mga isa sa makakatulong sa inyo na mahasa yung pagsasagot nyo ng mga accounting problems. So, even as early as first year, maganda na mag-start na kayo na mag-prepare if goal nyo talaga to take the board exam. The earlier you prepare, the longer preparation time you will have. Pagdating ng board exam, mas madali na para sa inyo. It is important to invest in books because it will really help you survive being an accountancy student. So, ayun lang. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.